Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Back out on a Charlie's tonight. We got 2 or 3 farms to cover, so I'm just off to pick Will up, and we're going to get out there and try and bag a few Charlies. So farmer said there's been a few about, so he wants them gone, so fingers crossed we'll get them in the bag. Here we are on the first permission, and I'm having a good scan round, and it's not long before we see a Charlie in the distance, and we make a move on him, and it plays us around the field for a bit, but we catch up with it and get the job done. First one of the night, little vixen, good one to get. Played us a little bit around the field, but we bided our time and got it in the end. We are a couple of fields over, and Will spots these 2 Charlies up on a bank, and he starts giving them a bit of a squeak, and the dog fox comes charging in, and the vixen stays on the bank, but when it stops it's got a building right behind it, so I have to wait to let it clear the building and get a bit more of a backstop, and I take the shot and drop him. Number 2, big dog fox. 10 minutes after the first one, just about 2 fields over. Will had a look over the gate, and there's 2 there, so managed to get the one, the other one's legged it. Here we are at the next farm, and I'm having a good scan round here, and we actually walk into a Charlie about 25 yards away from us, and we bump that one, but he runs up the edge and then comes through the edge about 200 yards up. So we creep into him, and I managed to get a shot. I think it was about 140 yards, but sadly I have to give it a second shot. The first shot, even though it hit him in the right spot, it must have hit him a little bit low, and didn't do the job of the first shot.
Yeah, steady. Squeak on it.
Nice tail on it. Nice tail on it, big white tip. Must have just struck him slightly low or through the shoulder. Number 3, another clonking dog fox, absolute monster. He winded us on the first field. He was only about 25 yards from us, and then we basically stalked along the hedge line. He came into the same field as us and managed to get a shot at him about 140 yards, but first shot hit him a bit low in the shoulder, and had to do a follow-up shot on him to finish him off. It's not the nicest way to do it, but sometimes that happens. This is a little bit further down the hill, and spot number 4, and he spots us at the same time, so he mooches away from us, and I keep a bead on him, and managed to take him. I think it was about 70 yards we got into him in the end, and dropped him. So that was number 4 for the night.
You seen that before, boy? Hey. That right?
Well, that's number 4. He actually spotted us when I turned the IR on, and he trotted down the ditch, and he actually came into about, I think it was about 70 yards before I took the shot, and he came closer to us than he needed, really. Well, that's me for another night. 4 in the bag. Just dropped Will off at home now. He's got early start in the morning, so it's 2:30 now, so I'm pretty tired. Gonna call it a night. So yeah, 4 in the bag, 2 dogs, 2 vixens. One dog fox, he was an absolute monster, real great big, he was like a Labrador. But yeah, good ones to get off the ground. So anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.